What's up, guys? We have a GTR 2009. Any year that you have this car, if you're looking to enhance the security system on the vehicle, we can provide the shock sensor add-on kit to the factory alarm system. So any banging they do in this window or any window in the car or anywhere in the car, the factory alarm will set off. Factory alarms only work if somebody opens the door. We do sell the kit online that you can call us, and we can tell you, basically you give us a call to place the order. We want to make sure that your car came with a factory alarm system. We'll walk you through a couple steps, and we'll ship you the kit. It's a DIY kit. It will come prepared already, ready to go, and you'll get the installation video exactly installed on this vehicle. So it's a full wire hookup, and you're not going to have any issues installing it yourself, because the video will show you step by step, which is a full wire hookup, and we never had anybody who wasn't able to complete the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. You're going to see the alarm's going to set off. Okay. This is the best thing you can do to beef up the security in this vehicle for rent theft or anything. And you know, that you don't have to install a full-blown alarm and carry another fob around or nothing like that. So that's the way it's going to work. I'm going to go ahead and bang in this tire. It'll set off the alarm. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Anybody who wants to add the shock sensor kit, give us a call. Okay, and like I say, the shock sensor is fully adjustable. You can set the sensitivity, how sensitive you want it. Basically, this guy lives in an apartment, so we don't want to put it too high for him. But if you live in a house, nobody has no business being in your driveway at 4 in the morning, so you can go a little higher in the sensitivity. But it's fully adjustable, and it's very easy to turn up and down. So if you need to adjust it throughout the conditions, like if you get a new job and you have semi trucks going by 24/7 setting off your alarm, you can adjust it. So that's basically it. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.